Hello everyone, and welcome back to Art of Living. Today's topic is one that's important for every woman out there: body maintenance tips for women. Whether you're in your 20s or beyond, taking care of your body is essential for overall health and well-being. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our empowering content. Let's dive right into it. Number 1. Nutrition. First, let's talk about nutrition. A healthy diet is the foundation of a healthy body. Focus on a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Stay hydrated and limit processed foods and sugars to keep your energy levels up and your body feeling its best. Number 2. Exercise. Next up, exercise. Regular physical activity is vital for maintaining a healthy body. Find a workout routine that you enjoy, whether it's dancing, yoga, strength training, or simply taking long walks. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week to keep your heart, muscles, and bones in great shape. Number 3. Stress management. Stress management is crucial for women's well-being. High stress levels can impact both your physical and mental health. Practice stress relief techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or engaging in hobbies you love. Prioritize self-care to keep stress at bay. Number 4. Regular check UPS. Don't forget about regular checkups. Women's bodies go through various stages, and it's important to have regular health checkups and screenings. Stay on top of your gynecological health, breast health, and overall wellness with routine appointments. Number 5. Skincare. Let's not forget about skincare. Taking care of your skin is a form of self-love. Establish a skincare routine that includes cleansing, moisturizing, and sunscreen to keep your skin healthy and youthful. Number 6. Self-love and confidence. Lastly, remember that self-love and confidence are key to body maintenance. Embrace your body, no matter its shape or size. Celebrate your uniqueness and practice self-compassion. When you love yourself, you'll naturally make choices that benefit your body. So there you have it, body maintenance tips for women. Taking care of your body is an act of self-love and empowerment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with the women in your life who could use these tips. And if you have any body maintenance tips or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got the power to live a healthy, happy life. See you in the next video.